this is Emily.
And Emily, the City of Sarasota's Parks and Recreation District.
Today we're going to be showing you how you can make your own shadow puppet out of recycled materials. Some of the materials that you'll need for this project are
A toilet paper roll or a paper towel roll that you cut in half, a rubber band, a foam sticker or a piece of paper that you want to cut a shape out of, clear saran wrap, and a flashlight.
So to make this project, you're going to take your toilet paper roll, and then you're going to take your saran wrap, and you're going to place it over the top of the toilet paper roll, and then put your rubber band on to secure it. You will then take your foam sticker or piece of paper shape and attach it to the top of your toilet paper roll. And then you'll have a finished product that looks like that. Then we have a special guest today, Hazel. She's going to show you how to work the shadow puppet.
So once you have the finished product, you insert a flashlight through the bottom, turn it on, and you can point it against the wall so you can see the reflection of your cutout.